Hello everyone. You all have been in pursuit of learning about how to crack the SSB. Today I would want to take you a step back to more basic issue which is generally missed out by most job aspirants. Job, as you know, is very important to an individual because it determines, besides status, one's own self-worth. On the other hand, jobs are important to an organization also because they are a means of accomplishing organizational objectives. So, what is required to be done by the aspirant is a thorough job analysis, which is a systematic know-how of tasks, duties, and responsibilities necessary to do the job. Job analysis becomes an important personal activity because it identifies what people do in their job and what they require in them in order to do the job satisfactorily. So, the first and the foremost thing to know is what are the job requirements of an armed forces officer, and secondly, what are the expected personality traits or characteristics of a potential officer. This would give you a fair idea as to how to mold your personality in that particular direction. So, coming to the job description, choosing to work within the armed forces is more of a lifestyle choice than a career move. It is a highly demanding, requiring dedication and a consistently high level of mental and physical fitness. Officers face challenges and sometimes life-threatening situations under immense pressure. They shoulder heavy responsibilities, not just for their own lives, but for the lives of their subordinate as well. The selection procedure spans over 5 days of interviews and tests which are designed to evaluate both your physical and mental ability. You will also have to undergo a medical assessment as a part of your selection process. Now coming down to what are the key personality traits which are required in a potential officer. So you must understand that during your selection procedure, you will be tested on your ability to think calmly and logically under pressure. So, you need to have the ability to communicate concisely and clearly to the subordinates and superiors alike, both orally and in a written word. You need to possess excellent leadership and teamwork, a high level of physical fitness. You need to have determination, self-motivation, and discipline. Last but not the least, a demonstrable commitment to the forces is required. In my next few videos, I shall help you to understand these key personality traits and how to work on them in order to inculcate in your own personality.